fundamental.
I need to think about how I'm going to raise the stakes in that room.
It's all about key behaviors and values. That's the power of storytelling.
Being around people that were so good at their jobs inspired me in a way to want to be even better at my job.
Everybody is so bright and everyone brings lots of fresh perspectives.
I love that we get together, problem solving, people are bringing challenges, they're showing cool things that they've done.
Everybody's ready to share and be open, and they're ready for fresh voices on how to solve.
It's the idea that we can be better as a team, our clients can be better, our clients can do better, and it's a fundamentally hopeful, positive way to look at the world from a growth mindset perspective.